Guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Discord tag like for free. So you should keep in mind that sometimes like the tag that it changes it to is completely random, so the tag isn't good, then just like try again. Or sometimes it just won't work, so if that happens, then try again. Now let's get to the video. I'm here on my account, FishRodEpic, with the tag 5664. Click here, get my username. Just have to change your username to something common, like LMAO. Too many users have this username. It might happen with some things, so try something else, like a popular YouTuber like Dream. See, it didn't change my tag, so as I said, the tag is completely random and sometimes it won't work. If it doesn't work, try it with another name, another popular YouTuber or something like that. Like, try PP. Do that. And then there, see, it changed my tag to 9199. And yeah, that's kind of it. If you enjoyed the video, I hope this helped you change your tag if you didn't like it. And bye.